Oh, doesn't she look nice and lonely? Okay, so today we're going to be doing a bit of an experiment. So let me just talk to you guys before we continue. For this video, you're going to have to deal with my disc lock on because I've only brought out literally just the key. I haven't actually brought the disc lock key out, so you just have to bear with us. We're going to have to work around that. Actually, let me go and get my disc lock. Boom, as simple as that. Disc lock is gone. Right, so I'm going to have a little chat to you guys before we start this video to basically explain why I'm doing it, and basically this video might be completely pointless, it might not work, but we're going to do a bit of an experiment. So, if you remember, a few months ago I'd done a video on just some ideas to try and prevent your ST from getting stolen. One of the things that people picked up on, does it work, does it really work, it's not going to work, that's stupid, the tinfoil trick. So, what I thought we can do, make a video for you guys. Let's put this to the test. So we're going to need a couple of simple things. Some tin foil, obviously have wrapped it up. So, not a huge amount, as you can see. A little bit of tin foil and my ST key. Okay, so let me just grab the camera and I'll show you what obviously we're looking out for. So obviously right now it's not wrapped in no tin foil. It will start straight up. Electric's on. Push it again and it will start. Really need to get some petrol. That's not good. So obviously it's pretty obvious what this is meant to do. Putting this in tin foil is meant to stop it turning the electrics on and starting. So we're going to put it to a little test and just see if it does work. I'm actually quite excited to see how this will go. So just grab my little bit of tin foil. Simply, as you can see, I'm just going to put the key straight in. It's like a little magic trick. Key straight in, wrap it up into a little parcel. As you can see, the key there. Let's see if it now works, shall we? So we've got the key all wrapped up. I haven't even tried this, so like I said, this could be a pointless video, but let's see. And it works. It actually works. Key not detected. Let's put my foot down on the clutch. Nothing. I'm pretty amazed. So all the people saying it's not going to work, it's going to work, it's not going to work, arguing, oh, how's tinfoil going to work? It's proven that tinfoil cuts the signal and it doesn't start. I've literally just proven it to you. So if you really want, especially with the ST3s, obviously they've got keyless entry as well. It might sound really stupid, but I know personally, for the sake of just chucking that in, screw it up, put it in your drawer for a night, it's worth doing. It will cut the signal out massively. I'm actually pretty amazed how a little bit of tinfoil can block out the whole signal. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I just, like I said, it's a little video just to do an experiment, just to sort of stop the people saying that it's not going to work, it's not going to work. I didn't think it would work, truthfully, hand on heart, I didn't think it would work. It's something that I used in my video that I've been told by others, but I've never tried myself, but now we have, and we've proven that it actually works. I'm pretty amazed. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and you know, thanks for showing your support in all my videos as always. And I'm pretty glad that this experiment all worked. So I'll see you guys in my next video.